Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spine and Wellness Center, your Irvine Chiropractor. One of the questions I'm asked often is what specific shoulder blade exercises are the most effective and are necessary to do and what to watch out for. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Let's talk about shoulder blade exercises. For one, when you're doing stretching of any muscle, you need to understand that the joint that muscle is attached to or moves it has to be in a neutral position. These days we have a lot of rolled forward shoulder joints as an example, so we want to make sure that the shoulder joints moved back. So to move the shoulders back, you're not going to stick your chest out. You're actually going to have to activate the muscles back here to bring the shoulder blades down and in instead of it being out. So you want to bring the shoulder blades down and in and activate the lats and pretty much in a way serratus anterior if you can. And you also need to make sure just doing these things, which they're fine and dandy, but if this shoulder joints are basically the ball and socket like I did in another video, and if it's rolled forward, it's already closer to one end of the socket than the other side. And then when you're doing it, you're not really doing effective stretching. What you want to do is you want to slow down. Instead of thinking that it's a workout only if you add weight to it, you have to understand the weight and adding load to a joint is great if the joint is in the proper alignment. So the positioning of the ball in the socket in a neutral position and holding it there becomes the workout. I know for some of you, you feel like, oh, that's nothing because I'm not sweating, but you have to understand if you injure the joint, there goes your workout. So do the right thing, slow down, no one's chasing you, slow down and actually hold your posture, hold the joint in the proper alignment. So the ball is in the center of the socket and hold that pose. So that doesn't mean sticking the shoulders back. It doesn't mean doing this. So you see, if I'm doing that, I'm actually activating this muscle, which has no place in this exercise. So you have to really pay attention to what you're doing. Stretching or even workouts should not be a social event. Pay attention to what you're doing and make sure that you're doing it correctly. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me via email, call the office, whichever works out. Make sure the information is in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is your opportunity to do that. And I hope that this was helpful. You take care.